Hey everybody, welcome to the I section that walkthrough. This is using your base that you made in the tapering thing last time. Oops, I changed the name but not the title of the section. 1.3.6 I section that. So yeah, I've got open over here, this right here. It's got some information about section views, detail views. Basically you're going to make a section view down the middle of this thing and make a drawing of it. That's about it. It's going to kind of look like this when you're done with it. I don't think mine is, this is another one I made. I don't know if this is going to look exactly the same when I make my drawing. We'll have to wait and see. It'll be fine. One thing that I did note in this, and if you read the instructions that PLTW gives right here in the PDF, for Fusion and for SolidWorks and for Mechanical Desktop and other things I've used in the past, you need to draw a construction plane where you want the section view to be. Since Onshape is a little smarter than that, or not smarter than that, Onshape has sort of an automatic way to do that, so you don't have to draw that plane, so you don't have to worry about that. But the other neat thing is the way that I centered everything, this right plane actually goes along exactly where you need it to be cut. So if you had made this in another program, it would have a plane right there because it's a construction plane automatically existing, the right plane. All right, so make a drawing. That's this the plus mark down the bottom left. Let's create a drawing. If you've done the other things from you should have this sort of an automatic drawing option. We want to have like a front view, a right view, a top view, and an ISO view. Sounds like a plan. That's the part. It's going to put down a front view right here. And it's going to project a right view over here. And let's make, one more projected view. Click the bottom and go above it. There we go. And click the bottom and go ISO over here. Ta-da! Oh wait, we didn't need a right view, did we? Nope, I'm going to delete that one. Click that. And notice if you still have this selected, by the way, oh shoot, I just clicked. If you still have it selected and you go to click this and you're like, I want to delete it, it won't let you because it's trying to project. I was trying to project from here. Oh no, oh no, oh no. If I clicked over on this one and tried to project like, I need this view over here, it's going to do weird stuff because it's taking the thing you just drew, or thing you just put down, and projecting views based on that guy. So yeah, all right. I'm going to hit escape. That's one way to get out of it if you don't know, if you don't remember what's clicked. You can also unclick that up there. Anything you don't want, click on it, backspace, click on it, backspace, click on it, backspace. So those are three of the views I do want. The other one I want is this section right here. So section views look like this little sort of squiggly line. It's got that sort of symbol right there, the arrows in the ends. Section view. So it's going to give you this line, and right now vertical is selected automatically. I could say I want to take a vertical slice through this guy. And you can notice, if I zoom in, it's actually going to snap to, there's several locations it can snap to. I could slice it over here, I could slice it over here, I could slice down the middle, I could slice it at any of these little points. It snaps to a lot of different points because there's a lot of different locations you could snap it to. If you notice, like you've got a triangle that appears if it's centered, you've got circles that appear if it's concentered with a circle, you've got this sort of collinear thing. It looks like, I guess, a kind of an hourglass shape if it's something that's attached to a line or a curve and it's snapped to a point on that. This looks like it's the midpoint on that arc from the top to the top right. Yep. Anyways, you can also do a horizontal cut where you cut through like this way. And again, it's going to snap the same places. You can do an angular cut and that's going to give you this diagonal, whatever. But we're going to do a vertical cut of the base, the front view right here. And so any one of these guys that snaps to the middle, I'm going to click that. If I go this way, it'll show me my right side of it. If it goes this way, it's going to show me the left side of it. So click that guy. There it is, section AA. So it goes from letter A to letter A. That's where the slice is gone. And we're looking at it, the direction the arrows are pointing. We're looking to the left. So we've sliced it in two pieces and we're looking at the left chunk of it over here. And that's that. Notice that you've got these diagonal lines through all the places where you would have cut through material. So notice you've cut through that whole, you've cut through this hole and this hole, the two holes that are lined up on the center there. But this one here, that is this hole right here, and you're seeing the outside of it. You're not seeing any cuts. And then the rest of the shell it's cut through, and you're seeing all the inside features and the lines and things that you would see if you sort of looked up on the underside of it. If you want to change anything, this is something I've told folks in class, if you want to change something about the part that's being drawn, the drawing of, what you can do is you can go on back to your part, and let's say I really didn't want my name on there at all. I'm not going to have them make that. I'm going to get rid of that. Don't want that. No. I'm going to go ahead. I'm going to suppress it here. I could delete it, whatever. Does that change it? Yes, it does. So it's still here. It's still here. It's still there. Like you can see the little bump right there. It's cut through one of the letters of my name, probably that N. Here you can see the H-A-N-E-S from the bottom. Here's Haynes from the top view there. Yep. It's not changed it yet. But that's because it's like, hey, this is the drawing you had. This is what you had drawn. Look at this little arrow that's got a highlight on it now. It says update from this workspace. If I click on that, it will update based on the changes I just made. And there it is. Haynes is gone. It's not even on the top over here. It's in none of the views. It's gone. My name's gone off of it. And that works. That's true for any change I make. Let's put it back again. Unsuppress. Let's put it back. Let's say I realized I messed something up major. Let's say I realized, oh no, my goodness, oh my goodness, I've made too many holes in the top. Oh Lord, this is the sketch. I've made too many holes. There were only supposed to be 3 after all. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Let's say I make that mistake. I'm gonna go ahead and change it. It'll reflect that as well. You'll notice there'll only be 3 holes here. You won't see, you'll see this is moved over slightly because it's got to be centered. They've changed to 3 holes over here. Any change I make, if I want to change my drawing, just make sure I do that. Alright, this is supposed to be 5. It's bothering me that I've changed it. It's bothering me so much. Okay. Oh. And so notice, since it had only 3 and now it has 5, I've gone the other way around. This extrude right here neglected, here, let's unselect that. Shoot, cancel this. Extrude 6. I just want extrude 6, thanks. Yeah. Alright, I don't know why it's not getting... Alright, let's get everything. And just go back to selecting. You may have to go back and edit some things if you make... See, I made some weird changes. If you make changes like that, you may need to go back in and fix what it actually chose to... There we go. Alright. Yeah, that's your 1.3.6. I sectioned that, and if you need anything else, let me know. Again, since if you're watching this walkthrough, it's because it's been such a long time that you just need to get through it. If you have any questions, let me know. I'll see you guys later. Have a wonderful rest of your day.